Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I bring you two new models for you. And the left one, the Oukitel Wp100titan, the right one is Oukitel wp200pro. Those are the new model from Oukitel. And first I've used the superior fridge thermometer to test the temperature of both devices. So the right one is 13.3 and also the right one is also 13.3. And why I test the temperature of the device? Because I've used the project function of the WP100titan, and I want to check after a period of working if the phone will go to hot. So next, yes, the phone in my hand is the new Projector phone from Oukitel WP100titan. This time you can see this is a big tank, a big battery, a big size phone. And the right one is also the new model from Oukitel, the Oukitel wp200pro, and this is also a special device because it supports detachable Bluetooth earphone, so we can put it inside the smartphone to as a second and the real screen. We can also press the button and get it out from the slot and put it into the band, smartwatch band, to use it as a smartwatch. Yes, so this is the W200 Pro, and now I will switch to the W100 Titan, and this is another main feature. The camper light is supposed 100 lumen project, and also is to get a 1200 lumen camper light, and support SOS and different mode. We can adjust it, and this is very useful function for the guys that like camping or hiking, especially at a dark environment. And next, okay, is the project function of the phone. As we can see, you can adjust it by yourself, or it can automatically adjust the focal length of the projector. And now I will test it. I don't turn off the light, and I will try to use it. And yes, I think I will play a video, and you can find the screen, the project screen, big screen. It's automatic change to the normal and to the right direction, even though my smartphone, larger phone, is not the right best direction. Use it to watch the movie. Okay, we can adjust the distance in the wall and my smartphone. It can automatically change if we turn off the light. Okay, obviously we can get a better experience when watching the movie. And if we put upside and down, yes, the screen will automatically change. Very nice. And there's also buttons to adjust the focal length to get reviewed and cleaner display. Very nice. And battery, support a long time movie watching, and also the stereo speakers and one immersive experience. You can watch the movie or watching the videos. Big battery, camper light, and projector. I think this is the only one solution for the camping guys. Use it for fun, for light. Very nice. And also the big speaker can be used as a outdoor speaker. It's very powerful running device from Oukitel wp100titan. Now the brand told me this device is not only starter, and you can bought it as an early bird and get it a very considerable and reasonable price. So it's pretty cool. Yeah. Even so, I use my cast it to the wall and to the roof, sorry, to the ceiling in my house. You can watch any angle. You can watch it. So this is pretty nice. This means you can watch at any time, watch movie at any time and any place, especially when you sleep in the bed or lean on the sofa. You can get a good movie experience. Yeah, so this is the wp100titan, and after a period of use, now I test it. Okay, 13.4, just 0.1 centigrade. I mean the temperature increased just 0.1, so it means you no need to worry about the temperature when you use it for some time. It can easily do the heat dissipation. Okay, next let's go back to the wp200pro, and now I already put the Modular to the smartwatch band, and now it can be used as a normal smartwatch, and it can detect your heart rate, and you can change the plate of the smartwatch. Very easy, and plenty of SIM you can choose. Very nice. And the switch from the up to button provide a lot of functions to choose. Sleep mode, walking mode. Okay, also very special and imaginative product from Oukitel. And if you don't use it for the smartwatch and smartphone, you can just use it as an earbud. So it's a 3-in-1 product. Very nice design, and I think both products are imaginative, and I'm really impressed by the product from Oukitel. Okay, thanks for watching. This is my quick hands-on about the two devices from Oukitel, and also I used the separate infrared thermometer. Thanks, bye bye.